Hello everyone, welcome back to Rupesh Study YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to set up your GitHub profile page with Holopin Bages. Like this in your profile if you don't have. I don't have in my GitHub profile. Go to github.com. Into your profile. If you have created a repo with the name as that of your username, you will get this page. You can create profile page like this. I'm clicking editing it. Here is an error. I don't know why it is showing like this here. Using markdown, if you remove markdown it will be normal. You can see it is looking normal, but when I am using markdown it's showing vertical downwards. I don't know the reason why. I will press the Holopin badge here. After my GitHub status, first of all go to Holopin. If you type Holopin in Google, you get holopin.io. It will ask you to log in with your credentials. Then you will get a page like this, and this is an Holopin tag page, intro page, home page, and this is a place where you can give digital badges to others, or other company members can give you digital badges. Click on the small icon. Under this, click on your profile. This is the place we are going to use, and here is the markdown tag. Copy it and place it here. I am giving it separate naming for simplicity of the link with Holopin only, and I will cut this here. Let's play it how it will be without that link there. It's showing dresses here. Let's type Holopin here. You can see that the process has gone. You can save this here in Github. It will make it will save it. It will save and display the patches once you add it in the Holopin dashboard inventory. Let's move it to the top. So support has to be at the bottom of any web page. All things. Here you can see the username of your account. If you click on it, it will redirect to that page. And the web page looks delete my page looks nice. I have automated YouTube videos and blog posts to come in here using YAML files using Ubuntu server. You can check the code base in the link, or you can come by coming to rupeesmcity.com GitHub profile and the repo. Let's commit the changes. We have added Holopin Bages and modified the high here. Let's go commit. Add Holopin Bages. This is an Holopin board. Modify high here. Modify intro text. Let's go to description. Written in markdown. Choose in vertical direction. Modify it to horizontal direction by removing the heading tags of markdown to the text. And that is hashtags. And that is pound tag. This is second heading. If you place on pound tag, it is main heading. It will look bigger. Add Holopin bottle GitHub page. It's your username. From the link given Holopin profile board mirror board. Let's comment directly to the branch. What we have seen here, it will redirect to the main page. So here you can see that Holopin Bages empty. Now let's add the batches to play. Come here, go to Holopin dashboard of yours profile section, click on show inventory. These are the batches that you have. For participating in Hacktoberfest, distribution is providing these batches to Holopin as a platform, and these are order ones which got in 2022 for completion of Hacktoberfest pull request completely and successfully. Participation digital certificate, digital badges. These are, and from here this is Hacktoberfest 10 participant and Hacktoberfest participant applet distribution laughing symbol and the icon, and all Hacktoberfest level 0, which means I didn't contribute still yet. If you refresh here, you can see it here. The whatever changes you do it in Holopin board, it will redirect here without changing anything in the code of this readme file and your profile name and your profile name. And here you can place let's say inventory. Let's remember this is 2022 batch, and this one is added, this one is added, this 4 all added. Let's place it the square small one here and the distribution here and apply one. Let's go with the order they has given us. This is the 10th year of Hacktoberfest celebrations. That's why they provided this badge. And applet is a sponsor. Token of participation, applet and distribution provided these two badges. And this is level 0. For new ones to the Hacktoberfest, the badges are given. That's it, you have successfully added. Let's refresh your page. It's dynamical loading, and whatever the order you have is given here, it will be present here. Let's click on it. We will redirect to the dashboard. Of yours Holopin Bages. On contribution 68. I hope you have enjoyed this. video how to set up Holopin Bages in your readme file of profile page of Github. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you find interesting and informative, please share and subscribe my channel. Please share to your friends. Thank you.